Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. A Texas district court stopped the FTC's non-compete ban from taking effect. Today's Spilling Secrets podcast dives into what happens next. On August 20th, the judge invalidated the rule, finding it arbitrary and capricious and outside the scope of the FTC's authority.
The very next thing that has to happen is the FTC needs to decide whether it's going to appeal. I think the operative assumption is that it will appeal. It'll have to make that decision in conjunction with the Solicitor General's office at the Department of Justice. But the next step is, if they do decide to proceed with an appeal, they would file a notice of appeal in the Northern District of Texas. They have 60 days to do that from the date of the final judgment. The judgment was entered August 20, the same day that the court issued its opinion in the case. And so they have until October 21, because the 60th day would be a weekend.
The panelists agreed that employers do not need to take any steps to comply with the ban unless something changes in the appellate courts. For now, regulations of non-competes is primarily back in the hands of the states. Regulators in some states have been taking an increasingly restrictive view of these agreements, so employers may still want to review their options.
Non-competes and non-solicits are only one tool in the toolbox for protecting trade secrets and customer relationships, so companies should focus on protecting their trade secrets using other means as well, whether that means technical protections, updated policies and agreements, doing a trade secret audit, so on and so forth. There's a lot of things that companies can do in addition to or instead of non-competes to protect their trade secrets.
Thank you, Erik and Paul. Epstein Becker Green is offering a free 50-state non-compete survey to help employers track the different regulations and requirements in each state. Visit ebglaw.com/50state to download the survey. And subscribe to the Employment Law This Week feed wherever you get your podcasts to hear the full audio episode and to catch all future editions of the Spilling Secrets series. Thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.